1. We have ignition.
You need a lot of energy to send the rockets to space. So the same happens when you define and execute your strategy. You need a lot of energy. You will value and remember this workshop. The future is inherently unpredictable. You can try to identify some trends, you can gain clarity, but you won't gain certainty.
I would highly recommend this masterclass because of the interaction with other people and also because it's so relevant and it's very practical.
It is pointing us to a new direction, the new approach on going about strategy, because strategy, we believe, is the lifeblood of every entity.
He's handing out these little tricks and tools that we can use, so this is not just a theoretical exercise.
It allows us to sort of rethink what we've been doing, allows us to sort of see where some of the pitfalls in our thinking and how we've defined our strategy.
We are all accountable for the fact that we are implementing or not our strategy. Focus on what is, I think, more important, which is our strategy for the next 15 years, right?